So for this problem, ladies and gentlemen, it says use the trigonometric identities to simplify. All right. So what we need to do is we just need to simplify and try to maybe rewrite them, see what we might be able to do. So when I look at this and I want to say, what would be the best plan of attack, I do understand that I need to add these two together, right? But you can only add when they're like terms. So right now I can't combine these at all. But I have sine of beta times tangent of beta plus cosine of beta. And if I look at this, I could rewrite sine as 1 over cosecant. I could write cosine as 1 over secant. I could write tangent as 1 over tangent, or 1 over cotangent. And I could also write it tangent as sine of beta over cosine of beta. But none of them really kind of seem to give me anything that looks like it's going to give me a simplified version. But if I think about this, right, it says simplify. When we're trying to simplify, we're probably going to try to get this down to one term, meaning I need to somehow add these two together, right? Somehow I need to get this addition sign, see if I can actually combine these together. So what I'd like to do for this problem is let's maybe simplify this up and see if we can get kind of a little bit same denominator. So I'm going to transform tangent. So I have sine of beta. Let's transform this to sine of beta over cosine of beta. All right, plus cosine of beta. Well, if I multiply across here, now I have sine squared of beta over cosine of beta plus cosine of beta. Now, if I wanted to add these two together, the main important thing when you add fractions, they have to have exactly the same denominator. So I could write as a denominator of 1 over here. And so if I need to get the same denominator, I could multiply, Tom, by cosine of beta over cosine of beta. Right? OK? So now, when I look at this, I'm now going to have sine squared of beta over cosine of beta plus cosine squared of beta over cosine of beta. Now, since they have the same denominators, let's bring them in together. So what we have is sine squared of beta plus cosine squared of beta all over cosine of beta. Now we look at our trigonometric identities. Could you take your backpack off your desk, please? So you have sine squared of beta plus cosine squared of beta. And we know that is going to be equal to what? And your Pythagorean identities, page 354. 1. So therefore, we have 1 over cosine of beta. And 1 over cosine of beta is secant of beta. There we go.
You made it sound like it's easy.